Director of Proceedings, dear audience, in 2019, the University of Namibia, through the Multidisciplinary Research Center, hosted a third international research conference in Windhoek, which attracted attendance and contribution from academics globally with more than 50 academic presentations. Apart from the panel discussion that set the tone of the conference theme on the Africa we want in terms of wealth creation for sustainable development and social transformation, as well as a keynote address from the Ministry of International Relations, one of the output was a peer-reviewed conference proceeding contributing to scholarly publications. A reason why we are here today to launch it. 2 volumes were successfully prepared with a combined total of 23 academic articles. I wish to use this opportunity to express gratitude to all peer reviewers, both internal and external, and to all contributors and authors of articles. I also want to give special thanks to our conference main sponsors, the GIZ of Namibia. Unconditional thanks and gratitude goes to Conference Proceeding Committee under the guidance of Professor Ahmad Sheikh Youssef, and to everyone who contributed tirelessly to the success of the publication. I wish to conclude by flagging out the importance of scholarly publications. And for Namibia to attain its global academic ranking, it is the brain power at institutions of higher learning to make it happen. I am therefore inviting academics globally, including students at all levels, to freely and confidently cite and reference the research work as presented and expressed in the published articles. I thank you.
My name is Whitney Shingenge, and I'm a postgraduate fellow at the Multidisciplinary Research Center at UNAM, currently doing my master's, and I'm excited to be a first author in these conference publications. The MRC conference has provided a great platform for upcoming researchers like myself, and writing this paper has enabled me to contribute to the body of knowledge as well as dissemination of information on medicinal plants and their documentation and how these plants can be used by the local people. I'll definitely encourage people to read my article in this conference proceedings, and it would be incredible to continue the conversation on how important indigenous knowledge systems are, and also look at how we can integrate medicinal plants into the mainstream healthcare system. Thank you.
I'm Albertina Shatri. I'm a PhD student here at the University of Namibia, and I'm also an academic at the Hangegeinkop campus in the anatomy department. I'm quite interested and happy about the conference proceeding for the Multidisciplinary Research Center, because this platform served and enabled us to disseminate our findings on how we can incorporate the use of medicinal plants into treating different human diseases, as well as how we can transform it by making use of fourth industrial resolution methods or techniques to fight off different human pathogens that are caused by multi-drug resistant pathogens. I'm encouraging people to read our publications, especially this one on the use of plants to treat wound infections, as this will enable people to understand how we are validating the knowledge that we are getting from knowledge holders and transforming it and making it useful for future uses into medicine. I also encourage other people from outside the university to read our publications and to reach out with us so that we will be able to collaborate as well as to be able to conduct researches together, as this will enable us to really contribute to the future of our country. Thank you.
Director of Proceedings, Director of the Multidisciplinary Research Center at UNAM, Prof. Ndongo. Conference organizers, authors, reviewers, readers, and members of the media. Good day to you. I sincerely wish to congratulate the Multidisciplinary Research Center for such an important milestone to have published peer review conference proceedings from the third Multi-Interdisciplinary Research Conference of June 2019. Publishing scholarly work is very important for UNAM, and this bears testimony of your commitment to increase visibility of not only UNAM and our work, but also increases our scholarly contribution to the body of knowledge. This also creates visibility for Namibian authors as well as African authors. International and national conferences are very important for not only dissemination of our scientific work, but also for networking. And this networking part is one of the aspects that had been neglected this year due to COVID-19. COVID-19, in fact, changed the dynamics of conferences this year as everything had to go virtual. And even our launch today is going virtual. But we shall continue to produce scholarly work and deliver on our promises to the Namibian nation and to Africa and to the international research community at large. So this afternoon, I have the distinct honor of launching this peer-reviewed conference publication that UNAM has produced, and I was asked to cut the ribbon. So there we go. And these are the proceedings that we have produced. Thank you very much.